This is a code red emergency.
I haven't slept in 3 days. Just fix me.
Sanitizing. This will sting a little.
That burns! Are you trying to kill me?
Let's open up those pores.
Finally. Something that doesn't hurt. Wait.
Head removal. Don't scrunch your nose.
I can't breathe through my nose now. Great.
These are cold. Wake up call.
Let's bring you back to life. Vitamin Glow.
It smells like oranges. I think I'm looking human again.
3, 2, 1. Rip.
Ah! My soul just left my body!
Rinse the face.
Oh wow, my face feels lighter. Did it work? 1,000.
And... magic.
No way! I look like I slept for 10 years.
It's like an oil spill.
Okay, that actually feels amazing.
Oh, don't stop.
Finishing touch.
Okay, I feel expensive now.
Let's fix them up.
Hey, what's the wind? I'm getting busy.
Mode idle.
Whoa. Who is that guy? Is that me?
Setting the glow.
I'm literally sparkling. This is insane.
5 hours later.
Let's try this one. Drag and drop.
Oh my god! I look like a trophy! I love it!
Oh, wait. I actually love this fit.
Oops, wrong folder. Sorry. Ew! Ugh, this makes me look and smell totally ugly. Ugh! Are you serious? How do I even walk in this?
A bold statement piece.
No! Change it! Change it back right now!
Okay, redemption time. Future core.
Okay, this is a vibe. I feel like a superhero.
Ready for the big top?
This isn't funny! These shoes weigh a ton!
To school classic.
Super cute! I would totally wear this to class. Perfect for our first date, right?
I am literally never leaving this closet.
You look delicious. Am I a hot dog? Why? Okay, real talk. You look amazing.
Wow, I actually feel like a princess. What?
Game, set, match!
Okay, let's hit the court. I am ready to win. Maximum comfort engaged.
So soft. I could sleep in this forever. Spooky season?
I want to suck your blood. Just kidding.
Boss babe mode. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Let's go.
Aw, does baby need a nap?
Stop it! I am not a baby! Take this off!
To the wild.
I'm ready for an adventure. Where are the lions?
Let's get physical. 1, 2, 3. Feel the burn. Festive spirit? It is literally July. Why are we doing this?
To the rescue!
Have no fear, Rumi is here!
Back to basics.
Finally. This is actually my style.
Bonjour, madame. Ooh la la. Take me to the Eiffel Tower.
System online.
Target acquired. I look indestructible.
Oh, come on! I am not a poultry dish!
The winner is... Thank you! Thank you! I'd like to thank my stylist.
Ugh, me no like this outfit. Me want dress back.
Stop.
Houston, we have a problem. I look too good. Potassium powder.
This is appealing. Get it? Appealing? No? Okay.
It's not a phase, Mom.
Whatever. This matches my soul today.
Fashion, work in progress.
Do not move. I feel like a literal roadblock.
Endpoint.
So elegant. I feel lighter than air.
New model loaded. Let's go, country.
Yeehaw! Where is my horse?
Ready?
I feel huge. I can't even see my feet.
Saturday night! Fever? Groovy, baby! Let's dance! What's cooking? Bon appetit! Today, we are serving looks.
Born to be wild. Vroom, vroom. I look dangerous.
Ribbit, ribbit. This is totally comfortable. Get it?
Okay, now I just need a limousine.
High fashion?
Excuse me? Are you throwing me away?
Ahoy, matey! Hand over the treasure or walk the plank.
Brr, it's cold.
Is it snowing in here? I'm ready to shred.